Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and tonight I wanted to do a quick video on the penguin insert for the truck, and it also works as an insert for the interchangeable round sign that we have on the website at pnwblanksanna.com. So the penguin insert comes with these pieces here. It has the main penguin, it has your little license plate, your tailgate, a little heart as like just some like little accent pieces as well, and these are like for the little earmuffs on the penguin. So let's go ahead and get started. And I made these designs. So for the license plate, it just says Burr. Has like a little snowy background, and these are just super easy because you're gonna basically put the piece on the design and tape it up, flip it over. Do that for all of your pieces to get it ready to sublimate, and then you can sublimate everything at once. And today I'm using my PNW Cascadia Pro Press, which is a 16 by 20 press, and it's absolutely amazing for this because then I don't have to press in multiple sections. I can just make all of my pieces at once. And you just want to make sure they're on there enough so they don't shift. Oh, and you actually also get scarves. Let me grab those pieces. Okay, so you actually get the scarf pieces as well, and you get 2 snowflakes, but for this video, we're just going to do the one. So then you want to just keep adding your designs and taping them down. And some of these accent pieces have 3M double-sided tape on the back, which is really handy when it comes to adding them to your penguins, so you don't have to deal with super glue or anything like that. So you can see the 3M tape on the back. So we'll just continue taping our transfers down and then stick it in our press for 380 degrees and 45 seconds. And I have my auto open on, so it counts down from 3 and then opens up. And it just opens automatically. And then I just wait for it to cool for just a minute before removing everything, and then we will come back and assemble everything and show you what the final piece looks like. Alright, so our pieces are all done and cooled down enough for us to touch them. So here's the penguins. Aren't they just so cute? And the little earmuffs, the scarf accent pieces, a snowflake, and a heart. And then here's the tailgate piece. And I purposely designed it right here so then you could add the snowflake if you wanted, which is probably what I'm going to do. Or you could even add the heart, but then you're not, covering up season with the snowflake, which you could have done. So what you get is you get the blank plate, so you can do whatever design you want. And so you could do like, spread this out a little bit, and you could use the snowflake as like an O if you wanted to. And then here's the little earmuffs as well. So now it's time to put it all together and assemble it. And you can, like I said, you can use the accent pieces however you want. Some of the accent pieces that are meant to go like stick on and aren't meant for the interchangeable, just like the tailgate and the license plates are the interchangeable pieces, so they do not have the 3M sticky tape on the back, but this does. And so you just peel off that sticky and then stick it on. And the 3M sticky you have a little bit of, I would say, grace period, a little bit of wiggle room with it. And then once it's on there, it is on there. It's not going anywhere. So then it just gives it a little bit of a 3D layered look to it. I need my pokey tool for this. So you do have a little bit of wiggle room to be able to kind of maneuver it a little bit, and then once it's on where you want it, you just press down real hard, and then it's not going anywhere. Oh, except that it does. Okay, there we go. But this piece, like you can see, it's not coming off. So once it dries on there, then it's nice and dried on there. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the scarves. And this is what makes it such a fun project, because you can do those 3D elements like people do with laser and wood, but then you don't have to spend the time painting. You just, I mean, you saw how quick it was to get it all finished and pressed the designs on there. So then you could do any designs you want. It's very versatile. I'll make sure I'm all lined up there before I press on there. And then it just gives it that little extra layered 3D look to it. So cute. And I think what I'm going to do with the heart, since this guy only has the 3D muffs, I'm going to put the heart on his stomach. Just give it a little something extra. And that's what the great thing is about this, is it's a kit. So you get to put it together however you want to put it together. There, so there is our finished insert piece. And then, like I said, I purposely did it so I could add the snowflake to the tailgate piece. So now you have a little bit of a 3D element to your tailgate, and then you have your license plate. So that is the penguin insert, and like I said, you do get a secondary snowflake as well if you want. So you could technically, I mean, you could do whatever you want with the little accent pieces, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 9, 10 pieces total. So a little 10-piece insert set, and then it goes either into your truck or it goes into the round interchangeable sign that we have as well. And the last thing that you would do is add your little, it comes with the metal plates, so you'd add the metal plates to the back, and then that way it sticks onto your truck. And same with this part here, you just do it in the 4 corners, add your metal plates, and the truck has the magnets. So if you set your truck up with magnets, or if you decided to set your truck up with Velcro, then you can do that as well. I just use magnets because I think it's a little bit more sturdy, and with the truck, it has those recessed spots for the magnets, so it creates so it's not so much of a gap with like the magnets and the metal plates. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop them in the comments. Otherwise, you can shop at pnwblanksanna.com and get your interchangeable trucks, get your inserts. Here's a perfect one for winter. I know that it's still winter for, I think someone said like 40 something more days of winter. I'm definitely kind of ready for spring. We are going to have much more spring and St. Patrick's Day, Easter, other designs coming up soon, so keep an eye out for those. All right, that is it for now. If you like this video, make sure to share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join our Facebook group over at PNW Blanks and Sublimation and DTF. Happy pressing!